Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of our visit in Udaipur, and today we are visiting first of all Amrali Vatika, and then we will be visiting Fateh Sagar Lake, and following that we will be going to Pratap Smarak, Saheliyon ki Bari, Sukriya Circle, and after that we will be going to Shilp Gram Mela. So first of all we went Aravali Vatika, not Amravali Vatika, which is a small park, and then we went to Fateh Sagar Lake, which is a very big lake, and you can take a round trip around the lake. Situated in the north of Lake Pichola, right across the Moti Magri Hill, Lake Fateh Sagar is the second largest artificial lake. While there is no entry fee to visit Lake Fateh Sagar, the timing of Fateh Sagar Lake are from 8 in the morning to 6 in the evening, and boating is the best way to take a quick ride of the lake. While I opted for motorboat ride, it costed us around rupees 89 and speedboat is around 239 rupees. This is my second boat ride in this city and I am quite enjoying this. And I consider this is the best way to explore the lake. Surrounded by high Aravali hills on three sides and Pratap Memorial on the north side, the lake is considered as the pride of Udaipur. The lake is home to three tiny islands offering many exciting activities. The largest island is renovated to construct the Nehru Park, and the Nehru Park is designed to offer lush green gardens, and a small zoo on this island accommodates many species of birds and animals. You can also take a brief look at the Aravali Hills as the boat takes you on a quick journey all around the lake. Take a quick boat ride and make the most of a day by enjoying and witnessing beauty, pleasure, and fun all at one place. Our next stop is Maharana Pratap Smarak and Museum. Built on top of Pearl Hill and just opposite to Fateh Sagar Lake is this Maharana Pratap Smarak. So the entry timings are from 7:30 am to 7:30 pm, and it costs just around 100 rupees for Indian, and if you want to go up top the hill via car or jeep it will cost around 50 rupees more, but I recommend this you should take an auto up top the hill because it is quite a walk. So after going there we will be reaching directly to the Smarak. This memorial is built in the memory of gallant and brave Rajput King Maharana Pratap. The monument showcases the life-size statue of the king and his horse Chetak, considered as one of the fastest horses of the time. The figure is 11 feet high and weighs about 70 tons. On one side of the statue you could see the figurine of a horse Chetak taking his dying breath, and on the other side you can see the battlefield of Haldi Ghati. And this sculpture can be seen from far away. And from up top the hill you can find these gorgeous and astonishing views. Then from the Samarak we came down to the museum. This museum is built on the premises of the memorial and has an enormous collection of paintings. These paintings depict the rich history of Kumbhalgarh and Chittorgarh along with the few instances from the Battle of Haldi Ghati. If you have an eye for art, then the place offers a marvelous collection of the ancient paintings of Maharana, their Ashtra-Shastra. The stunning works of this artist speak about the generous and chivalrous nature of Pratap. Also, if you go to the basement area, you can see a layout of the Kumbhalgarh fort, the Chittorgarh fort, the city palace and Battle of Haldi Ghati model. And from there we had some snacks in Shiv Sagar restaurant, Sai Sagar restaurant, and we had hot coffee, Maggie, and veg cheese sandwich, and we had the food was quite nice there. Our next stop is Saheliyon ki Bari. So the entry timings for this place is 9 am to 7 pm, and it costs just around 20 rupees and 50 rupees for foreign visitors. Saheliyon ki Bari or Garden of Maidens, found in the Udaipur district of Rajasthan, is a marvelous wonder of nature and its beauty designed with utmost care and perfection. The garden offers mesmerizing views of handsomely crafted marble pavilions. The Saheliyon ki Bari is embellished with several fountains in the four-wall pools along with chiseled kiosks. Out of many, the most noted features of this place are the bird fountains and lotus pools. The moment you enter the garden, you can witness flower beds, lush green lawns and marble pavilions, which creates a pleasing ambience. Do you know Saheliyon Ki Bari is yet another token of undying love of Rana Sangram Singh, also known as Rana Sanga of Mewar dynasty, who got the garden built to please his lady love. The garden was also made for the 48 maids who came to Udaipur with the queen as a wedding gift. Our next stop is the Sukriya Circle. There is no entry fees to this place. While you can enjoy boat rides here, the cost of 2-person boat ride is 100 rupees, while 4-person boat ride cost around 200 rupees per person. My next stop was Shilpgram Mela, which I already had prepared a video and you can check that out too. To end this beautiful day, we went to Amrai Ghat, which is near the waterfront of Lake Pichola in Udaipur. It is just opposite to the Gangaur Ghat near the Jagdish Chowk area. This ghat is very well maintained by the Nagar Parishad of Udaipur. Marble boundaries are installed and white seats for resting are available on the ghat as well. Although you need a ticket to this place at 10 rupees and you get a beautiful sunset view. This ghat is a gateway to a delightful experience that passes from the old streets of the area, also called as Old City in Udaipur. After a beautiful sunset, why not have a dinner along the lakeside? So we went to this beautiful restaurant named Harighat Restaurant, and we fortunately got this lakeside seat and we ordered some beautiful food. So our first food for the menu was chicken tandoori platter, and then we ordered lal mas and butter naan, although it was bit chewy. Then after that we went to Gangaur Ghat and had this beautiful view of the Lake Pichola during night time, and I must say the view is totally different during day and you have to visit this place at night as well. So that's it for the video, guys. And also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and hit on the notification button to get more latest updates on my feed. And that's it for this video. Tada, bye.